Hello everyone, dear friends. Hope you are fine, good and well. Today we are going to review another coin of the United Kingdom. The coin is 1989. The date of the coin. Face value is 2 pence. As well, you can see in front of your screens 2 pences, and here numerical 2. Currency is pound, and the date is 1989. The shape is round. The color is dark brown, like more dark than gold, and the size of the coin is normal as well. You can see in front of your screens. If we do the review of the coin, about the design and little information about the coin, let's go and have a quick review. Here, within a beaded circle, the badge of the Prince of Wales. The badge of the Prince of Wales, here you can see a plume of 3 ostrich. 3 ostrich, here you can see. Above includes German motto Ich dine, I serve. That Ich dine means I serve. Here, if we do zoom, here you can see ICH, Ich dine, DIN. The meaning of this in English is I serve. Here the value and denomination in words 2 pence around above, and here in numerical 2, and the around beaded circle dotted you can see. Even it's old coin, but here the engraving and the design is almost very clear and beautiful. Here you can see this side of the coin. Let me zoom out and let's go and have a look to the other side of the coin. What we gonna see on other side. Here you can see the crown bust of the Queen Elizabeth. You can see facing right her effigy known as the third portrait. The portrait here is engraved is known as third portrait of Queen Elizabeth. Here you can see the crown is very clear, wearing royal diadem which she used to wear on her way to on from the state opening of Parliament. Pearl necklace, here you can see it's engraved very well. Pearl earrings, you can see includes tiny letters on the neck truncation the designer's initials RDM. Here designer's initials also mentioned there, but I think because of the use of coin it's not clearly shown here, but still the necklace and the earrings, the hairs, the nose cut, the chin cut and the eyes cut, and the royal diadem, you can see the crown, the royal crown, also known as royal crown. So these are very clean and clear, you can see. Around the monarch's legends and the date of issue Elizabeth II, Elizabeth II DGREGFT 1989, translated from Latin Elizabeth II by the grace of God, Queen Defender of the Faith 1989. If we did the translations of this text in English, then Elizabeth II by the grace of God, Queen Defender of the Faith 1989, and the round circle beaded, you can see the dot same as front. Here I zoom here. these circle, beaded round circle. This is cool, giving a cool design to the coin. So this is very minimalistic and easy to know design engraved on the coin on the 1989 UK 2 pence. So if you have same coin, then don't forget to tell me in the comment box. Now let's go and see if this coin is from center simple plain or reeded or any design. Here it's just plain, you can see, just plain. There is no any line work and no any other work on this side, center middle side of the coin. Here you can see clear. So this is the quick review of the 1989 old coin. If you have same coin in the collection, then just click in the comment box. And if you like to collect the coins like me, old coins, new coins, all coins, so also don't tell me forget to tell me in the comment box. I make this video, used to make this videos to just for knowledge and just for talk and just to see the infos that engraved on the coins. So take care, we will catch you in the next video with next and other coin. Bye.